Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to use LinkedIn on mobile. So in order to use LinkedIn in mobile, you need to follow these steps. So here, what you want to do is, first thing first, install the app to your device. So you could open up your respective app store, type in LinkedIn on the search bar and install the app. After completely installing, you have to make sure to create an account. Since the interface won't appear, so I'll be using the browser version. So open up your browser, type in linkedin.com or linkedin.in. So when you go to the following link, it's going to take you to their official page. Now in my case, I already have created an account. So you just need to make sure to go ahead and continue either with Google or maybe an email and then start creating a profile for yourself. So for the profile, you have to upload your experience, your skills, all that stuff, your resume if you want to, and you could also add in your educational background, all sort of things according to the prompt. You could just follow the on-screen prompt and you'll have successfully created your account. Now that you've created your account, this is how the interface or the home page is going to look. So now if you click on the top left icon, you could see your profile. So here you have the profile section and you could see your information. Now you could go ahead and explore the content on your LinkedIn app, and if you actually like the content, you would click on the like, comment, repost or send to person as well. And if you also want to upload a post, you could tap on the post button at the center and then upload a post according to your preferences. So this way you should be able to use LinkedIn on mobile. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.